This is Math Expressions, Unit 3, Lesson 4, and this one is a correcting lesson. So remember, as we're correcting, don't erase anything. You don't ever need to erase anything. And if you need to make changes, if you need to make fixes, please use either a green correcting pen if you have one, or a green colored pencil, either one of those two. Just the green is what's important for me. All right, so let's go ahead and let's continue here. So number 2, and I'm going to go pretty fast, I think, through this. If you need to pause the video and make your changes, make your fixes, start it back up, please do. So I'm going to just kind of go through this pretty quick. So this one was interesting, number 2. It's already in order, hundreds, tens, ones, so all I had to do was copy those digits down in the same order that they had them right there. On number 3 here, the hundreds was at the back, the tens was in the middle, and the fives were right there. Okay, number 4, I'm going to underline. So 300, 5 tens, 4 ones. Number 5, I'm looking at those. So 2 hundreds, 2 tens. Well, that one's kind of silly. Didn't really matter the labels. You could just put them in any order. And then number 6, so hundreds, ones, and tens. So the hundreds are in the right place, but the 6, the tens, and the ones need to be flip-flopped. All right, so we did number 7. Let's go ahead and look at number 8. Let's unscramble those. So 839. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 800. And maybe I should have done this over here. 800. And then I'm going to do 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3. That's 30. And then 9 ones. So same thing we had on the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you can see, there we go, 830 and 9. All right. On number 9, let's underline those. I see 300s, 4 tens, and 8 ones. So 1, 2, 300s. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 348. 300 plus 40 plus 8 is 348. All right, then number 10. Hundreds, tens, and ones, they're already in the right order. So 200s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1 dot. So 291. 200 plus 90 plus 1. All right, so make sure you've got all those down if you've needed to make any fixes or changes, and then when you're ready, let's go on to the next page. Okay, so here we go. So we had done 11 and 12 together. So let's go ahead and look at 14 and 15 here. So remember, 80 had 672 digital photos. So 600, first I'm going to do the drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2. So there's my drawing of 672. And she put them in groups of 100. Well, we already have groups of 100 right here, and we don't have enough here to make another 100. So really, she was able to fill 6 folders because she already had those. And then she had, this is 60, and that's 2, right? So she had 62 photos left over, right? 60 plus 2. She had 62 photos left over. All right. So here we go on this one. Joe had 543 pennies. So I'm going to, again, remember we're showing this down here. So 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 500. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. There's our 40. And then 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. And he's going to put them in piles of 100. Well, kind of the same thing, right? We already have groups of 100 right here. So how many groups was he making? How many piles of 100 was he able to make? 5. He was able to make those 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 piles. And how many extra pennies did he have left over? Well, he had this 40 plus this 3, right? So he had 43 extra pennies. All right, so make sure that you have all of those. If you needed to make any fixes or changes, make sure you have all those down. And then we'll be done with lesson 4. Great job, you guys. That was a good lesson.